The field is the outer portion of your power tool's motor. It works with the armature to create an electromagnetic field, which causes the armature to spin. Most problems with the field are caused by overloading the tool. When the tool is overloaded, the field windings can be burnt. Common symptoms of a bad field are loss of power and excessive sparks from the armature. There will often be smoke coming from the motor or a burning smell. A bad field can also cause the armature to quickly fail, so you'll want to inspect it closely as well. Replacing the field is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing half of the handle assembly. Now remove the motor cap. And next, the motor brushes. Now remove the screws that secure the motor housing and the lower handle. With the screws removed, now I can separate the motor housing from the blade housing. Now remove the inner ring from the housing, and I'll make note of the location of each of the wires on the field and go ahead and remove them. Now remove the two screws that secure the field to the housing. Before I remove the field, you'll notice on the top there's a small plastic tab, and on the bottom there's a slightly larger one. I'll use those to orient the field as I reinstall it. Now I can remove the field. I'll tap the housing against the table to slide the field out. Now I can install the new field. Again, I'll line up the larger plastic tab with the bottom of the housing. You'll also notice there's a white ring on one side of the field and a black on the other. The black side should go in first. As I insert the field, I'll make sure that the holes for the screws line up with the corresponding holes on the housing. And I'll secure the field with the screws. I'll turn the housing over and push the brush housings back firmly into the new field. Now I can reinstall the wires to the field. First, the white wire. then the yellow, and at the opposite end, the black, and the red. I'll just tap the connections in place with a screwdriver. Now make sure the wires are tucked out of the way and reinstall the inner collar. Notice that the wires clip behind the collar. Now reinstall the motor housing onto the armature. And secure it with the screws. And I'll resecure the lower handle. I'll make sure that all the wires are out of the way, and then install the upper half of the handle assembly. Now reinstall the brushes, and I'll finish up by installing the motor cap. And now you know how to replace the field in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.